In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Not gold, but only man can make a people great and strong. Men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. My dear friends, today I take the opportunity to express my feelings on the eve of a historic day of Pakistan, that is the Defence Day. My dear countrymen, Defence Day, as the name suggests, commemorates the day when our national armed forces successfully defended the attack of Indian forces on our country in the 1965 war. It is a tribute to our armed forces and all the martyrs of the war. It is celebrated on 6 September every year. The enemy attacked our borders on 6 September 1965. They mainly attacked the regions of Lahore, Sialkot and the desert areas of Sindh. Intoxicated with power, our enemy had completely underestimated our Pak forces who have the spirit to lay down their lives for the country. Our forces not only defended the homeland successfully but also protected the lives of thousands of civilians and their homes and gave a crushing defeat to India. I am proud of the Pak forces because of whom we can raise our head in the world. On this occasion, I pay my humble tribute to the Pak forces and our martyrs. May Allah bless our forces and our homeland. Pakistan Zindabad!